Alright, so in this video we're going to go over the CRUD method. CRUD or CRUD method, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Create, read, update, delete, with some challenges in there I have there for you. And this is a continuation from the last video, so make sure you watch those videos. They're in my YouTube channel, playlist mysql. Okay, so I can easily run all of this in my .sql file, but that's not the point of this tutorial. The point is to show you how to do it in nodejs by creating a .js file and running it in your shell, basically. All right, so the first thing is I'm just gonna let me run this .sql to make sure that there's no tables there already called shirts, because we are gonna make a table called shirts. So source. All right, it's done. Show tables. It's done. Beautiful. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is it says create a table. Now I'm going to bring my connection in. Those of you who don't know what I'm doing, watch my other video. I showed you how to create a connection and how to export it. And now all you have to do is just bring it in through your files. Those of you who don't know which connection I'm talking about, it's in my basic login. That's the connection that I'm referring to. Okay. Next, I'm going to start con.connect. Say if error. Okay, so we can say oh, what am I doing? So a little bit of arrow function. Say if error, then throw it. Then console.log. If everything works, we connect it, and then just close this, end the connection. Alright, let's run this little command and see if everything is good. Alright, we connected, so that worked perfectly fine. So the next thing is very simple, actually. Which is we're going to start with our table. Create table. So what does it say? It says create a table called shirts. I'm just gonna copy it here, so you guys don't have to do the same thing. I'm going to provide the table information and the data in the description, so you can just copy it if you want to follow along. So we have create table. So we say const. Let's make a SQL command. Backstring, so everything can fit in. That's why I use the backstring. Okay, next thing. Let me run this. Okay. Error result, arrow functions here. And this is the same thing. Table. We can print the result if you guys want. We can actually print both of the things I'm thinking about. Result, and we can say comments, whatever. We are connected. No, we made our table. So we have to remove the con.end. It's gonna run into an error. Okay, beautiful. Let's try it now. Yay, we connected, we made our table. These are the results. Alright, this is really good. Let me make this bigger just in case you cannot see. Okay, beautiful. Alright, so let me end that connection. Okay, I'm gonna remove. Next is I want to insert my values. These are the values. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just gonna remove this and say insert into shirts. That's what it's called, right? Table of shirts. Okay. Insert into shirts. What do I want to insert into shirts? Some stuff. And then values. And it has to be capital. Values. Question mark. And then we can say const values. Now we need to insert our values, which is an array, by the way. It's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. And then this is how you do it. Values. And then we can, once we have it, we can print out the result. We can also print out the affected rows, which is basically result.affected rows. I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. We have to input the values. So what are we inputting? We're inputting 1, 2, 3, 4. So the article, the color, the shirt size, article, color, shirt size, and last one. So article, color, shirt size, and last one. Those are the 4 things that we're inputting. So we can just copy this data directly. So we can't just copy the whole parentheses part. That's the only annoying thing. Like we have to do it one by one. You know, super annoying. Alright, that's it. Alright, so let's see. Let's run this file. Hopefully there'll be no error. Yes, it works. It says result. We connected. We made 8 records, no duplicates, no warning, undefined, affected rows. That's 8. This should say 8. Oh, it's affected rows with capital. Alright, so we can't run that again because we already made the table unless we delete what's inside the table. So that's fine. It's not a big problem. So next thing we want to do is we want to start our first CRUD method, which is read. Get all the data in there in a single line. Alright, so get all the data in a single line. So let's do that. Let me just copy all the things we have to do here and bring it over. Here's the first thing we need to do. So we're done with the create part of the CRUD method. Is it CRUD? You know, I'll stick to CRUD. So we're done with all the create part of the CRUD method. So now we're gonna start with the read. These are the read commands I want you to do. So get all data in there in a single line. So we can delete this. Just delete this for now. So delete that. So let's begin. So the first thing is get all data. So select, we know how to do this. Select star from shirts. And then console.log. I'm going to print the result first and show you how messy it looks. And then fix it. You see that? We have everything. This is all the data. It's 100% correct. but it looks messy. Let's see if we can clean that up. Well, we can parse this data. We can JSON stringify it. Actually, not parse it. And then we can say JSON.stringify. And then we can put the result. Let's see. I always have to remove my connection. I mean, it's better, I would say. It's not perfect, but it's better. If I make it smaller, how does it look smaller? I mean, this is all the data. It's fine. You can see shirts. If you want to take a look at it in my SQL stuff, you can do it here. Select star from shirts. There we go. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, all 8. 1, 2, 3, all the way. So we have it. It's the same thing all the way to 8. Just looks prettier here. Alright, so we did that. Next thing is add a new shirt. So purple polo shirt, size medium, last one 50 days ago. So let's see what it's saying. It says, let's look at the table. So we want to add a new shirt where basically it says, what is it? The color is purple. Color is purple, so insert into, obviously. Color is, where is it? Purple here. Color is purple. Shirt size is, color will go here. I mean, the article is polo shirt. The size is medium. And last one, 50 days. I'm going to give you guys time to do that. I'm going to pause the video here. Just so, because I do not like doing long videos. I think it's boring to watch long videos on YouTube. And on the next video, I'm going to run through 2, 3, and 4. So in the last video, we basically did the create section of the CRUD method. I showed you how to do that using nodejs. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do number 2, 3, and 4. Thank you.